Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Sometimes when you open your account on Telegram, you suddenly find that someone you don't know add you in group without telling you, and this is may disturb you. One of the most important features on Telegram app is to give permission for contacts who can add you on group. Today we will learn how to control who can add you in Telegram chat group. Let's get started and see how can we do that. Click on the Telegram app. Press on three lines which shown on top left. Click on settings. Scroll down till we get privacy and security. Press on groups. Here two options. The first one, everybody can add it to group chats. The second one, my contacts, means that only contacts can add it to group chats. Let's select everybody. After that, press OK. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can subscribe our channel. Also, don't forget to tap on like, and if you want to ask for something, please put your comments and we will do our best to respond all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.